Hello, welcome back to Sweet Acre Koi Farm. This is Chris. I'm going to do a quick video because we got a delivery today, or this evening, I should say. And here it is. Yes, we've got our air pump in. I've already opened it so we don't have to mess with the tape. Here's the little booklet for it. There's the pump. It's huge and heavy. And we have a bunch of other little things over here. It's a whole kit. Comes with the 2 stones, 1 for each pond. I don't know what that is yet until I guess I can open it now and find out what it is. So not easy doing these things one-handed. I should have grabbed my tripod. Oh, this is the actual controller. Yeah, that's what that is. That's the controller. So I'll get that hooked up. The plug-in controller. There's the oh my gosh, these stones are heavy. There's the stones. And here, whoa. That's the airline. That's the connectors. More airline. And the little brackets. There you go. Actually, it'd be I know there's a word for them, but I can't think of what it is. The fasteners, whatever you want to call them. You know what they are. You can see them. I can't use the correct verbiage. All right. So we're going to get this. We're going to get this all taken out, and then I'll get it set up, and I'll get right back to you. Okay, there we go. Now, hopefully, I should be able to toss this one in. I'm not going to put them in too deep because I want to see what kind of difference it makes. Hi, guys. Mommy's putting something in. Look out. Yep, look out. It's a big old scary thing. Look out. Don't want you guys freaking out over it. It's going to twist if I don't undo it now. There we go. Yeah, it's all twisted. I'm going to have to mess with it. I got it all twisted up. I may have to pull it out again. But I've already got this in here. So I got that in there now. Okay, let me see, we got to see what we're going to do here. Alright, what does it say? Now I got to be able to read this thing here. Yeah, we're going to bypass that for right now. And we're just going to turn the pump on. There we go. Ugh. Okay, pump is on. And valves are on. There we go. So, there we go. Here, let me... And that one's on. So I'm going to have to do... Get you guys over here. There you go. And I'm going to have to untangle this. There we go. There. Kind of wanted it more towards the middle anyway. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to leave her like that for right now. So there we go. And while you're watching that one, I'm going to do this one over here. There we go. Let that sink down. There. Alright, it'll work. That's alright, I'll drape something over it. We'll leave this over here. There. Okay, so we got that one in the bottom pond, and we've got that one in the top pond. So there we go. That's pretty good movement right there. I'm pretty happy with that. That ought to help the situation. It should help stir up the bottom, throw everything to the top, which will help that filter everything out. And in the morning, I'm going to pull this filter out down here because I've had it off because I'm not putting any water in the top pond. So I'm going to pull the filter out tomorrow, give it a good scrubbing, put the 2 biofilters that I just got in the mail not that long ago, 3 days ago. I'm going to hook them up to this bottom filter down here, and I'm going to take the return hose and I'm going to put it back in the pond so it will have the 2 easy biofilters here going back into the same pond, and it has the Awasa filter and the UV all going in this bottom pond. So I'm going to do that, and this pond is going to get drained, and tomorrow we're going to be pulling out the big koi, measuring them, getting them in the front pond, and getting that last shabunkin that refuses to leave this pond. We're going to get that shabunkin, get him out of here, and put him back up here. And the baby koi, yeah, I'm gonna go through it, and we're gonna do some picking through some fry and see which ones we're gonna keep and which ones we're gonna go ahead and move on. And that's gonna be the way that's gonna go. So there you go. Just wanted to let you know I got the air pump running. I'm just gonna leave it straight on plugged in for right now. I'm not gonna put it on a timer, because I really don't want it on a timer anyway. I don't ever want it to shut off, so I'm probably just going to pop that timer out of there. So there you go. Got that going with the air down there now. Putting some more fresh water in, because I just got rid of about 800 gallons that was in here earlier. And got the air going over here. So there we go. We'll see what happens. But at least I got it now. It's a, don't know how to say that name. WRSTER-TECH. Yeah, so it's a pretty decent sized pump, as you can see. It's pretty big. Not that loud, so I'm happy about that. But we're going to be hopefully putting in a little box seat right here, and this is where that will go. That way no rain will get down in there. But for now, I'm just going to put like a tote or something over the top so it doesn't get wet, because we have storms, of course, in the forecast tomorrow. But at least we have a beautiful, beautiful sunset tonight. Let me see if I can zoom in on that beauty. There you go. Absolutely beautiful sunset. Whoa, camera's messing up. Camera's messing up. There you go. But at least you got to see our beautiful sunset. And now the fish are swimming around even more, a lot more than normal. So that's a good thing. That's absolutely a good thing. Very encouraging to see that. They are all over this pond. So cross fingers that this is going to work, and it'll churn up enough at the bottom to where it can get into that filter, to where we can get it, the rest of the sediment, out of the bottom of the pond. And like I said, we're gonna go ahead and do the shop vac or the pond vac tomorrow, and I will be videotaping that, so you can see how we do that here. Okay, that's gonna be it for me tonight. I'm done. Like I said, I'm gonna put something over the top of it. I won't forget. I'm just gonna end the video now so I can get it uploaded. But everybody have a great night. Thank you so very much for watching. If you like the video, click like. Think about subscribing if you're not already a subscriber. And click on that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Everybody stay sweet.